Inconveniences and Problems. Section 1. Listen to the customer and listen to the customer service representative's responses. Number 1.
My coffee is too cold.
I'm sorry. I will change it now. Number 2.
Why is my bill too high?
I'm sorry for that. Let me check on the system. Number 3.
You sent the incorrect order.
I'm sorry to hear that. I will process your exchange. Number 4.
Why did you charge me 2 items when I only ordered 1?
I do apologize for the mistake. I will process your refund. 5.
Where's my stuff? I should have received it yesterday.
Very sorry to hear that. I checked on the system. It will arrive tomorrow. Number 6.
I received the incorrect order.
I'm very sorry. I will send the correct order right now. Number 7.
My item is damaged.
Very sorry to hear that. I will send you a new one. It will arrive tomorrow. Is there anything else I can do for you? Number 8.
The parts are incomplete.
I'm sorry for that. I will send the item again. It will arrive on Wednesday. Can I help you with something else? 9.
The size of my shoes are too big.
We apologize for the mistake. I'm going to send the correct size. What is your size? 10.
The color of my blouse is blue, not red.
Sorry for the mistake. I'm going to send the correct color. 11.
I ordered a chocolate cake, not a vanilla cake.
Sorry for the inconvenience. I'll change the flavor right now. 12.
I have been a customer for over 3 years. I'm not getting my service.
I'm very sorry. I will check the system and I'll help you with your service. Section number 2. Listen to the customer and respond correctly, whether that be an inconvenience or problem. Number 1.
My coffee is too cold.
Number 2.
Why is my bill too high?
Number 3.
You sent the incorrect order.
Number 4.
Why did you charge me 2 items when I only ordered 1?
Number 5.
Where's my stuff? I should have received it yesterday.
Number 6.
I received the incorrect order.
Number 7.
My item is damaged.
Number 8.
The parts are incomplete.
Nine.
The size of my shoes are too big.
Ten.
The color of my blouse is blue, not red.
11.
I ordered a chocolate cake, not a vanilla cake.
12.
I have been a customer for over 3 years. I'm not getting my service.